Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. In these videos, we show you how to mount a 1-inch multi-stack tooling on a Bandmaster 45 and a 1¼ multi-stack tooling on a Bandmaster 65. To fix the mandrel rod, we have two possibilities. If you fix the rod like this, it will not rotate. If you fix the rod like this, the rod will rotate with the mandrel during the bend cycle. How to insert the collet in the carriage. The pressure die is equipped with nuts and screws that regulate the height. The height is already regulated by the factory. If for any reason you have to align the pressure die, you just unlock the nut and with a key you can lift it up and down. From here, by screwing or unscrewing, you can regulate the height of the tool. The same is applied on here. You can regulate the height of the whole block and you can regulate just the height of the roll from here. Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!